Hello everyone, hope you're all having a great day. So today's book is a lovely short little book and it's called Come On Daisy. And the author of this book is Jane Simmons. And this is a book about a little duck called Daisy and her mama. So let's have a read and see what happens to Daisy. Come on, Daisy, called Mama Duck, but Daisy didn't. Daisy was watching the fish. Come here, Daisy, shouted Mamma Duck. But Daisy was bouncing on the lily pads. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bong, bong. Ribbit, said a frog. Bong, plop, went Daisy. Splosh, went the frog. Coo, said Daisy, but the frog had gone. Mamma, called Daisy, but Mamma Duck had gone. Daisy was all alone. Something big stirred underneath her. Daisy shivered. So Daisy hid in the reeds. If only Mamma Duck was here. Something was rustling along the river bank. Daisy could hear it getting closer and closer and closer. It was Mamma. Daisy, come on, she said, and Daisy did. And even though she played with the butterflies, she stayed very close to Mamma Duck. Hope you all enjoyed that lovely little book and hope you all have a great weekend. See you on Monday.